Hi, my name is Nathaniel Kimball, and I'm a software engineer with Hewlett-Packard Enterprise. Today I'm going to demo a tool I wrote named Coda, which HP is generously allowing me to open source. Coda is a Horizon dashboard and panel that facilitates resource cleanup of a project once that project is no longer needed. For example, if a customer cancels their account. This project originally started as a standalone Django app inside HP and has been very valuable in operating our public cloud. It was originally called Scrubber, because that's what it did, but was renamed to Coda after being ported to Horizon and adapted for Keystone instead of our proprietary identity service. It is the intent of HP to open source our entire suite of DevOps tools using a musical theme. Coda was chosen as the name for this project, as a coda in music is a passage that brings a piece to an end. It is particularly apropos for this use because the symbol for a coda resembles a crosshair. As you can see, there's not much to the UI. You simply enter in a valid project ID and search for it. Once you search for it, you'll see the project information listed and the users. There's still a bit of UI work to be done here to pretty this up. Ran into some CSS issues in moving this out of a standalone app and into Horizon, but the app itself works, and so we don't want to waste any more time getting this out to the public. So you can see instances are divvied by which user created them, floating IPs, security groups and their rules are listed in a tabular format, networks and subnets. And right now the environment I'm using is having some issues with images, so if I get that fixed, I'll re-record this demo. Once you click delete, you're given a confirm page that again needs a little bit of cleanup. Now, every time you go to delete something for a project, you're prompted for your administration credentials. This is a pain in the butt, and it's a pain on purpose. There's no going back once you do this. So we want to make sure that you review the info. Did you have a chance to see that, hey, this isn't my big important customer, this is the one I'm intending to delete. And for testing purposes, I've actually hard-coded my credentials into the code. Obviously, I'll get rid of that before we open source it, but once you hit delete, there's no going back. And as you can see, some of these have to wait a little bit. This is because you can't delete some items in OpenStack if they have dependencies. And if everything goes okay, this is what you see. If you run into errors, instead of instance deleted or floating IP deleted, you'll see the error message that comes back from the REST APIs. And then if you search for this project again, you'll see that everything is indeed gone. Also, there is a script that goes with this project that allows you to create all those resources for testing purposes. And that's all there is to it.